Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Bree if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be testing out some exciting new makeup products from Morphe and Jeffree Star. Now they recently collabed again, round 2. He came out with an eyeshadow palette, a setting mist, some eye brushes, and they relaunched their makeup sponges. I only picked up the eyeshadow palette and the setting mist. That's what interested me the most. The eyeshadow palette is called the Jeffree Star Artistry palette. Now when I saw this on Instagram, I instantly knew that I had to pick it up because this palette looked absolutely gorgeous. And I had been kind of struggling with eyeshadow before buying this palette. I just wasn't really in the mood to do eyeshadow. I wasn't feeling very inspired, and then I saw this and something instantly clicked into me and I knew that I had to have that palette because I instantly got so inspired by looking at it. And this is what the packaging looks like. It has the holographic Morphe x Jeffree Star on the front, and on the back it has the picture of Jeffree Star and his little message to all of us. And when you open it up, it comes bubble wrapped like this, which is really nice. I love when it is safely packaged. And this is what the front of the palette looks like, exactly like the unicarton. And on the inside, you get a huge mirror with it, which is so amazing. And then you get 30 different eyeshadow colors. They look so freaking pretty. You can do various amounts of different eyeshadow looks with it. This just really spoke to me. So you get 30 shades for $35. And Jeffree also recently just got an affiliate code with Morphe. So if you use his code JSTAR, you get some money off. So I ended up paying $31.50 for the eyeshadow palette. And then the next product that I got was the Morphe x Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. It is the Starberry scent, which smells like absolute heaven. Smells exactly like a strawberry. A little bit on the artificial side, but not something that I'm mad about. It smells really good, and this pink packaging is so iconic and so Jeffree. I'm honestly so happy that I have this in my collection. I have like 3 other bottles of like the original continuous setting mist, so I really didn't need this, but I'm super happy to have it in my collection. This is $18, but with the affiliate code, I got it for $16.20. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Morphe setting mist, this one has the same mist. It's just that continuous mist. You just hold down the button and let her go. Oh, it feels so nice on the skin as well. I don't know if it really improves the longevity of your makeup, but it really does help melt all of your face powders in together. So in this video, I'm not going to do any swatches on this palette. I'm just simply going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. I will, however, have the swatches of this palette up on my Instagram if you want to go and check that out. Follow me down here, and you can see the swatches that I did on this palette. They're so beautiful. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm first going to go in with this shade right here called Lynn, and I'm going to use that shade to set down my eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow primer, I used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Ooh, I really love the fact that this palette has a mirror in it. It's so big and beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called What's the Tea? And I'm just going to ever so slightly put that in the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Wake and Bake, and I'm going to put that just a little bit below that brown transition shade. Just ever so slightly underneath it. Now I'm just going back in with a big fluffy brush and just blending those two colors together just to make so that it is seamless. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Nate, and I'm going to pack that all over like the outer portion of my lid and really build it up on the outer corner. And now I'm just going to take this shade right here called Rolls With It, and I'm going to take my finger and just pack that on my lid. Alright, and now I'm going to take this glitter shade called Millions right here, and then I'm going to just pack that on the lid as well. And it's okay if you get it all like messy on your eyelid, because we'll go back in and fix that here. So how we're going to fix that is I'm going to take a little bit more of the color Nate on that brush that we were using and just ever so slightly run that right over top. Now it does look a little bit messy, but I'm honestly kind of liking it. I kind of like that messy like glitter explosion on my lids that's happening. It's not bad. I am going to take just a little bit of the black in this palette called Fastling, and I'm just going to ever so slightly line my upper lash line. Just ever so slightly, because I am going to be putting on false lashes today. And this black is very, very pigmented. I only have to dip in like once and it is like full black pigment. And now I'm going to quickly take a makeup wipe and clean up some of that fallout that happened underneath our eyes. Yeah, if you guys use that glitter shade, you're definitely going to want to do your eyes first because that glitter gets everywhere. And now I'm just going to run these two shades along my bottom lash line just together. I'm first going to do the lighter green shade Wake and Bake underneath. And now I'm just going to run the shade Nate underneath as well. And now I'm going to put the shade Welcome on the inner corner of my eye. Alright, this look is slowly coming together. I'm quickly going to put on falsies and the rest of my face makeup off of camera, and I will be right back. Okay, and I am back with the rest of my face makeup on, as well as false lashes. Now, my glue, I didn't realize was kind of expired, so my lashes are not really sticking very well to my eyes, so I'm sorry about that. But all in all, I think I really, really liked the look that I came up with. It's very St. Patrick's Day inspired, but I really wanted to create a green eye look, so I'm actually really happy with this. This palette is so amazing. Like, I love all of these different colors in here. This is going to be a palette that's right up my alley. There are just so many different colors in here. You can really play with different colors. You can create a natural everyday eye look. You can do a pink, a warm tone, just anything really, which I think is really, really nice. So now I am going to set my face with the Morphe x Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist in Starberry scent. It feels so nice and refreshing on the face, and it smells exactly like a strawberry. It smells so freaking good. Plus, this packaging is everything. I'm in love with this. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.